everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe. We're gonna have a lot of fun together. So this video is really just about survival, guys. You know, when you've seen a lot of YouTube videos on makeup or whatever, and then you're like, I want to try that. And then, well, this is how it goes. I'm really wondering what changed, because this is how I live the house every other day, but now I just spent some extra time and I'm wondering if it's worth it. Oh, I just had a cookie. Allow me. Here we go. Oh my god, my bare face. So this is how I run my eyebrows on a normal day. I just look down to get the curves, the arcs, you know, I don't know. I just look down to kind of get a shape though. So my eye pencil is really short because this girl really likes to see things through. Yeah, so I kind of look like the angry bird when I'm looking down. But anything to get the shapes equal, then we move on. So I'm not really a makeup person, but ever since I discovered how much neat eyebrows could enhance my looks, I figured, well, there was no point stepping out of the house with undone brows. Oh my god, sorry I had to show you guys my hair. This is like a disaster. My hair's become too long for me to manage. So I just make like braids, like cornrows, and then I put an extension at the tip to protect the end. As you can see, drawing out my eyebrows make me happy. I have no idea why. I'm just like, you know, confused. Okay, I have no idea what's going on right now, but maybe I'm trying to get the shapes to look equal. Never mind. So I've got the angle brush. The first time I ever used an angle brush, this colleague asked me to get it, and she was like, if I figured out how to use this angle brush, it would be like the best tool in my makeup kit. And I think 5 years later, I figured she was right. It took me about another 2 years before I started to use the angle brush, because to me before, just putting the eye pencil was okay. So I figured something out about eyebrows. Makeup artists, some of them like to put the same eyebrows for everyone, like in the bridal train. But then they just don't realize that we have different shapes of our faces and eyes, and the entire Nike thing doesn't go well with everyone. So my friend calls this one the rat's tail. I have no idea how she came up with that name, but we move. So now I'm just trying to blend it in like I see in the videos. Usually I would use my hand to blend it in. I have no idea why I'm using the angle brush. I use the angle brush to pick it from the closest part to my eyebrows, and then I use my hand to blend it in much later. Why am I winking? I'm not even done yet. I'm not even like halfway there. Okay, now it's time for the second part. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I usually am confused about the angle brush. Like, I don't know which part leads the way, the short part or the long part. Okay, and doing the top is always like a problem. Sometimes I'm like, is it really necessary? Can I leave the house without doing the top? Sometimes I do leave the house without the top, but life still goes on. So in my YouTuber voice, right now I'm just like blending out the concealer around my eyebrows. As you can obviously see, I'm proud of what I've done. So it's time for the face. I start with a primer. I usually 80% of the time, 90% never even use a primer. I just like wear my foundation, my powder, do my eyebrows, lipstick, and goodbye. I lock the door and I'm out. For the sake of this video, I'm doing like the primer thing, and I'm actually even showing you my foundation. Waiting for my camera to zoom. Why does that always happen? And well, if you notice, my makeup is like far away from where I'm standing right now. I usually do my makeup by that door. So here I am using my hand. Some of you think it's tacky, but I just like using my hands. I don't think I'll ever get used to using a brush. I just like using my hands. If I have to wear a white shirt afterwards, I just wash my hands thoroughly, put the shirt on, and I leave the house. I feel like this rubbing kind of makes it more even for me around my face and around my neck if I wanted to go that far, but as we all can see in this video, my hands aren't even going beneath my neck. Concealer time. Why is makeup a lot of work? I never do this, but let us just do this for the sake of this video so you can see how much I've adhered to all of the videos that I've been watching. So guys, this is not even a beauty blender. This is like one of my very soft sponges that I've decided to use because it's really really soft, and it's probably doing the work, I guess. I have no idea, but I think it does the job. So I guess this is the part where your face comes out looking like a ghost. It's called baking. And I put the shade Terracotta, and now I'm working on my eyeshadow, right? So this I never ever get right. All I know is that I'm gonna make it pretty dark at the edges, so it gives my face some kind of definition. And for everywhere else, I can't even explain to you what I'm doing right now or what I ever do around that place, but I just make sure that there's like a gradation of colors and it's not weird, and I can leave the house. Now it is time for the eyeliner. This is the part where I'm really like, Jesus, take the wheel, because if anything goes wrong, I do not know what to do. My baking powder, my eyeshadow, my foundation, primer, everything I've worked so hard on. The only thing I really know how to do if I have like the eyeliner going elsewhere is to wash my face. And that means I'll have to wash my face and start all over. But when that happens, I try not to touch the eyebrow because that one actually takes a lot of time. It took all the time, in fact. So I'm gonna just brush it off. You can see all of the smoke. It was really dusty in there. Oh my god, look, how did this happen? It's not going away. It's not going away. It's not getting off. This is weird. I'm doing my best. Is this how it happens in all of the other professional makeup artists videos? Okay, now I'm pretending to contour my nose because I do not know if I'm contouring my nose right, but I'm just gonna say I'm pretending to contour my nose, and I'm pretending to contour my cheeks. So I'm pretending to do all of these things. Okay, I have no idea what effect that created, but I just did that. Now I'm trying to blend it in. I'm still trying to convince myself that I'm blending all of this stuff in, but why is my face still white? It's still white. I'm here now by the big door and my face is still white. Nothing's working. Oh my god, it's a different color from my neck. Okay, this is the part where I make my nose kind of glitter with God knows what. Oh god, this is not even working. How do you guys do it? Oh yeah, I think this is the part where I'm supposed to like spray my face, you know, and wait. Oh lord, why isn't it working for me? And then I put something under my eyes. What pencil is this? That's another black pencil. That's a black pencil that's really short. So mascara time, because I will not be using lashes today. I'm really just stepping out to go somewhere. But with the way my face is looking so bright and dusty, I'll probably have to wait in the house for everything to like soak in, to oxidize. I think that's what it's called, before I leave the house. I cannot kill myself at this point. I just need to move on. So here I'm using my MAC powder to, you know, just finish, right? That's what it's called. So I'm just like finishing, and back to this nose thing again. Wow, oh my god, she's so pretty. Ooh. Okay, so what really happened? I just darkened the camera and I think I changed the white balance. I don't remember. This video was shot years ago and I don't even remember what I was doing here. Oh yeah, it's the same video you saw in the beginning. I just had a cookie and I have to get it out the back of my teeth, so I did that. So for my lipstick, I'm using two shades of Kiko. I got it for about €3. It's really nice. I can't wink. I still can't wink. So I hope you like this video. Give me your suggestions in the comment section. And please like and subscribe. I promise you that over here on my channel, I'll make you feel at home.